In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal for selling items in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or just starting out, these steps will guide you through the process easily and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the official PayPal website. This is your primary hub for managing your payments and transactions online, and it's crucial for selling. Make sure to go to the correct website to ensure security and avoid any phishing attempts. Once you're on the home page, look for the prominent login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your credentials. If you haven't already set up a PayPal account, you'll need to sign up and create one. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. After logging in, PayPal aims to verify your identity for security purposes. You'll see an option to receive a verification code, either via a text message or through WhatsApp. Choose your preferred method and enter the code once you receive it. This step adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, ensuring that only you have access to your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. From here, navigate to the settings icon, typically represented by a gear icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click on it to proceed to your account settings. This section allows you to customize your preference, making it easier to manage your transactions and personal details. Next, head over to the Seller Tools section. This is where the magic happens for sellers. Click on the link and you'll find a variety of options tailored towards selling online. These settings are designed to help you manage your sales, track transactions, and ensure that everything runs smoothly as your business grows. Within the Seller Tools, look for the option labeled Selling Online. Clicking on this will guide you through the setup for selling through PayPal. Here you can create invoices, set up a payment button, and manage other features that support your selling journey. Spend some time exploring these tools as they are valuable assets in streamlining your selling process and enhancing customer satisfaction. Remember, PayPal is a trusted platform when it comes to secure transactions, and it's used globally by millions of businesses. As you explore these settings and tools, don't hesitate to look up any additional resources PayPal provides. These resources offer insights and tips on making the most out of your online selling experience. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to start selling items through PayPal in 2025. Make sure to keep your account information updated and secure. Happy selling, and thanks for tuning in.